Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are going to solve the third problem of your practice set 2.1 of chapter called parallel lines. So in parallel lines, in previous video we have completed our first, second question, and before those videos we have completed the different theorems depends on the alternate angle, then corresponding angle, opposite angle, etc. So we are going to use those test in our this question. Okay, so so we have to write first given part of our question. So what is given? The line L is parallel to M. L and M, these two lines are parallel. So line L is parallel to line M, and line P N is parallel to P. Line N is parallel to line P. This means these two lines and these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay. And what is given more? Nothing. So we have to write to find. So to find. What we have to find? The measure of angle A, the measure of angle B, and the measure of angle C. That we have to calculate. Now we have to solve. Solution. First we are calculating angle A. So before calculating angle A, we have to consider, like, let this angle be x, this angle be x, and this x and this 45 are the corresponding angles. They are corresponding angle. Therefore, x is equals to also of 45. So x equals to 45. So here we have to write let x equals to 45 degree, that we have considered. Why? By alternate angle or by corresponding angle. By corresponding angle. Therefore, see, and angle x plus angle A equals to of 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle x equals to of 180 degree. Why? They are linear pair of angle. By linear pair of angle. Okay. Therefore, since x equals to 45, so we have to write 45 here. So here it is angle. So angle A plus 45 degree equals to 180 degree. So we will transfer this 45 to another side. So angle A equals to, see, ये पॉजिटिव में इधर जाएगा तो नेगेटिव में जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 180 डिग्री माइनस 45 डिग्री. सो एंगल A इक्वल्स टू, इट इज 0 में से 5 नहीं जाएगा तो हम 0 को यहां से 8 से 1 कैरी करेंगे तो हो जाएगा 10. 10 में से 5 गए 5. 8 के बदले में यहां बच गया 7. 7 में से 4 गए 3 एंड 1. सो हो जाएगा 135 डिग्री. तो यहाँ पर हमारा मेजर ऑफ एंगल ए कैलकुलेट हो गया. ओके, सो एंगल जो ए है वो कितने का हो गया? इट इज 135 डिग्री का. सी, अब ये 135 डिग्री का है, सो एंगल बी वो भी 135 हो जाएगा. कैसे? बाय अपोजिट एंगल टेस्ट. नाउ वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग एंगल बी. Angle B. So angle A equals to angle B. How? By opposite angle. Opposite angle test. Therefore, or since angle A equals to, just we have calculated, it is 135. देयरफॉर क्या हो जाएगा? एंगल B is equals to angle A. Therefore, angle B equals to, see angle A की वैल्यू कितनी 135 डिग्री. Therefore, ये हो जाएगा 135 डिग्री. So this is our second part. Okay, next this one. See this angle and this angle C and angle A are alternate angle and they are also congruent. Now third one, angle C. So angle C equals to question mark that we have to calculate. Therefore angle C is equals to angle A by, कैसे हमने ये लिखा, by alternate angle theorem. Alternate angle test or theorem. Therefore एंगल C इक्वल्स टू एंगल A का मेजर कितना बेटा, एंगल A का मेजर अभी हमने कैलकुलेट किया था, इट इज 135 डिग्री. सो यहाँ पर लिख लेंगे 135 डिग्री. ओके, सो ये भी हमारा प्रूफ हो गया. ओके, सो देयरफॉर एंगल A, एंगल B और एंगल C तीनों का मेजर कितना है, 135 डिग्री. देयरफॉर एंगल A इक्वल्स टू एंगल B इक्वल्स टू एंगल C एंड विच इज इक्वल्स टू 135 डिग्री. So this is our answer. This is our answer. So we can write the result now. So what will be the result? The measure of angle A, angle B and angle C is 135 degree. Answer. Okay, so this is the way you have to solve the third problem. Okay, so really it is very quite easy. So just write down and then we will solve the next problem. Okay, so write down. So student, question number 4 is homework for you. So in this practice set we have only 5 questions. So we have already solved first 3 questions. Fourth question is also very similar. It depends only on the properties of parallel lines. Now we are going to solve the last problem of this practice set. Okay, that is the fifth question. Okay, so the fifth question is all about, we had two lines which are parallel, that is line AB and CD, and line PQ is transversal line, and here the measure of one angle is given. On that basis we had to calculate or we had to write the measure or calculate the measure of these 4 different angles which are asked in our question. So question says, in a figure line AB and CD are parallel and PQ is a transversal line. The measure of one of the angle is given, which is of angle BRT. BRT is given, which is equals to 105 degree. Okay, this is the given part. Then we have to find all the measure of these 4 angles. Okay, so now we have to write the solution. So in solution, first we have to calculate angle ART. So we are taking angle ART. So angle ART plus, see this angle ART plus angle BRT are linear pair of angle and their measure is equals to 180 degree. So we have to write that angle ART plus angle BRT is equals to 180 degree. How? By linear pair of angle. By, we will write reason below, by linear pair of angle test. ओके, लीनियर पेयर से दोनों का सम कितना हो जाएगा, 180 डिग्री हो जाएगा. Therefore, see यहाँ पर BRT की वैल्यू दिया हुआ है which is 105. Therefore, एंगल ART plus 105 डिग्री इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. सो हमको ये ART एंगल की वैल्यू निकालना, तो इस 105 को ट्रांसफर करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, एंगल ART इक्वल्स टू 180 minus 105 and it is in degree form. Okay, so we are writing over here now. So angle ART equals to, see ये हो गया 10, 10 में से 5 गए 5, 10 में से 5 गए 5, यहाँ बच गया 7, 7 में से 0 गए 7, नाउ 1 में से 1 गया 0, तो आंसर कितना आ गया 75 डिग्री. सो दिस एंगल इज ऑफ 75 degree. Okay, now next one. This is the answer 1, so we have to write in box. Now second, this one is first. Second is angle CTQ. Angle CTQ. Which one is CTQ? Angle CTQ. This angle. Okay, see. This angle and this angle is again similar because AB and CD are the parallel lines and PQ is a transversal. Therefore, angle ART and angle CTQ are the corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles, so they are also similar. So we have to write angle CTQ plus equals to angle ART. How? By corresponding angle. Therefore, since angle ART equals to 75 degree, so 75 डिग्री को हम यहाँ पर पुट कर देंगे. Therefore, angle CTQ equals to 75 degree and it is our second answer. Now third one. Third one is angle DTQ. Angle DTQ. We have to find. So which one is DTQ? Angle DTQ. Again, this angle and this angle is corresponding angle, so they are also similar. Therefore, angle DTQ is equals to angle BRT. Angle BRT. How? By again the same test here. Corresponding angles by corresponding angle test. So since इसका मेजर कितना है, एंगल BRT इक्वल्स टू 105 डिग्री, देयरफॉर ये 105 हम यहाँ पर लिख लेंगे, तो आंसर आ गया. सो एंगल DTQ इक्वल्स टू 105 डिग्री. सो दिस इज अवर थर्ड आंसर. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, or we can write this part here. So since angle BRT equals to 105 degree, therefore angle, see अब BRT की वैल्यू को हम यहाँ पर पुट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, एंगल DTQ is equals to 105 degree. Okay, so this is our third answer. Now fourth one. Fourth one is angle PRB. Angle PRB we have to calculate. Which one is PRB angle? It is PRB, this angle. So again this angle and this angle are opposite angle. So angle PRB is equals to angle ART. How? By opposite angle. Opposite angle टेस्ट। देयरफॉर क्या हो जाएगा, सिंस, देखो नहीं सिंस लेकिन सिंस एंगल ए आर टी की वैल्यू कितनी है 75 डिग्री। देयरफॉर क्या हो जाएगा, एंगल पी आर बी इज ऑल्सो ऑफ 75 degree and this is our fourth answer. So now we have calculated all the answers. Now we have to write result. So result we are writing here. Result. So the measure of angles is R, because we have more than one. So it will use R. So first angle ART equals to ART is equals to 75 degree. So we have to write 75 degree. Second angle CTQ equals to CTQ is 75 degree. 75 degree. Third one, angle DTQ is equals to DTQ is 105. We have to write 105 degree. Now fourth one is angle PRB. Angle PRB is equals to of 75 degree. 75 degree. So this is our answer. So here we have calculated all the values of all the measure of the angles which are asked in our question. So students, here we have completed our practice set 2.1. Okay. So I hope आपको सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गए होंगे. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज द होमवर्क फॉर यू. अगर आपसे सॉल्व होता है तो इट इज गुड, बट अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो यू हैव टू कॉल मी कि सर ये वाला क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व करा के दीजिए. सो इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल कवर दैट क्वेश्चन आल्सो. ओके. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.